Alright everyone, I'm back here to make some more of this pineapple habanero sauce. I have some leftover pineapple juice from making the tepache. I'm just going to add this in. Got a cinnamon stick. I got an onion. I'm using a red onion. This will all go into the blender and get all chopped up once the fermentation is done. Got a handful of these organic baby carrots. Gives it a little bit of flavor, but also too when you blend it all up, it gives a little bit of texture, especially if you're going to turn it into like a chutney. I then removed the stems off of the habaneros. I'm going to be using the seeds and all. Here I'm going to put in some ginger. I also have salt for a brine. That's about a little over 3/4 of a cup for a gallon. Should be pretty close to a 3%. Have some garlic. All I have is the minced garlic. I'm just pour some in. Now I'm gonna, I got 25 or 30 of the habanero peppers. I'm just gonna give them a slice, quarters. I'll put some in, and then I'll cut the pineapple and kind of alternate it. Quartering up the bigger ones, the smaller ones I'll just cut them in half. Alright, I'm going to do the pineapple. I'll save the skins and I'll make another gallon of tepache. Some people take the core out. I just pretty much leave it in. It's gonna get all ground up anyway. Put some more garlic, more ginger in that. Now finish cutting these guys. If you try this recipe and if you're sensitive to the capsaicin, you might want to wear some gloves. This one's going to be a bit spicy, this batch. My niece, her family, they really like this. So I'll make sure I give them a big batch. Okay, now normally I melt stir in the salt and melt it with the water and get it good, but I'm just going to pour this in and top it off. Now I'll give it a good shake, get it mixed up. Give it a little bit of room there. And I'll probably let this ferment for roughly a month. Get another weight on top of that. I'll be checking it. If I continue to get up, I'll put a plastic, if it continues to rise to the top, I'll put a plastic bag in with some water and hold it down with the weights. But most of the time this works pretty good. So check back with me, we'll see how this turns out. Thanks for watching.